Linked blocking queue. Linked blocking queue is based on linked nodes. This queue orders element first in, first out. The head of the element is that element that has been on the queue the longest time. The tail of the queue is that element that has been on the queue the shortest time. New elements are inserted at the tail of the queue. The queue retrieval operation is from the head of the queue. So linked blocking queue and array blocking queue are similar in functionality. So to implement the example of linked blocking queue, we'll be copying the code which we have written from the array blocking queue and we'll modify it to work with the linked blocking queue. So let's see an example of linked blocking queue in IntelliJ. So here let's copy the array blocking queue and then paste it inside the package and change the name to linked blocking queue. So inside the linked blocking queue, we just change the instance to linked blocking queue and linked blocking queue and linked blocking queue, and then change the names to linked blocking queue. And that's all. So all the functionality remains same. It's a data structure on the backend side which is changed with the linked blocking queue. So let's run this example. So you can see that it added values from 1 to 5 and then it will wait for pool, and once it is pooled, 1 is pooled, then it's added the 6th one. We'll wait for 10 seconds for the next pool. So second one is pooled, so it's added 7. So array blocking queue and linked blocking queue is same from the implementation perspective. The only thing that's changed is on the data structure side. Linked blocking queue has a better throughput than array blocking queue, but then the performance is inconsistent.